first thing we do is introduce our letter of the day. Our letter for today is V. 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 The letter of the day is V. V. This is the uppercase letter V. This is the lowercase letter V. The letter V says V. V. Would you like to try? Can you say V? V. The letter V says V. Good job. It has a funny feeling on the bottom of your lip when you say it. A little vibration. Yes. Let's sing our alphabet song. The letter V says The letter B says The letter B says Again, the letter B says The letter B says The letter B says Good job, way to go. The letter B says and it has a warm, ticklish feeling when you say it there. So our produce of the day are vegetables. So we have vegetables. You can hear the V sound there. Vegetables. 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 So I brought along a bag of mixed vegetables that we use sometimes. If we don't have fresh produce on hand, we just refer to frozen because it makes a really great alternative. Here it is. Vegetables. Can you see that V word down there? Vegetables. The letter of the day is V for vegetables. Vegetables.